Zimbabwe. Welcome once again to our program, the program Zvirimati, where we go deep into the issues to do with disability. With me here is Munyaradzi. He's going to be talking about himself, what he does, and the challenge that he's facing as someone who's living with disabilities. Munyaradzi, First Nation.
Yeah. Greetings to you. My name is Munyaradzi. I am informed. I am physically challenged by the cerebral palsy. I was born like this.
What is cerebral palsy? What is it affected in your education?
I cannot use my hands. They are paralyzed.
Okay. So what do you do to write and to?
I use a computer to type.
Okay, you use a computer or a laptop to type.
Yes.
Okay. What are the challenges that you have faced so far in your life, basically, and in your education?
My challenge in my education is that I do not have a laptop.
Currently, you do not have a laptop.
Yes.
Yes, viewers, he has said it all during the previous interview. He said that now he doesn't have a laptop, and he uses a laptop of a friend, which sometimes the laptop will be used by the friend. So there are difficulties in his education. It's now 2 months in the second term, and he hasn't been doing a lot in the school because of that issue. So Zimbabwe, it is upon us now to help him and to make to help his soul and make sure that he passes his education. And I tell you, he's one of the most intelligent people at Jairus Jiri Secondary School, and I certainly believe that disability is not inability. So it is it is my appeal to you all Zimbabweans to come and embrace him and help him with the provision of whatever he needs in school, so that we see for the better future of himself. Thank you once more for joining us. My name is Kate Kumbirike Babashi Maita, and I hope to see you again in the next episode of Zvirimati. Thank you.